Yo, what is up guys? Natasha here, and we are on a roll this week. We have another budget phone with us today, and this time we have the Realme 3. And this phone features a 6.2-inch screen, which is pretty large, and it's priced under 1,000 ringgit. Specifically, this price right over here. Without further ado, let's talk about what I like and what I don't like about this phone. For starters, what I like about this phone. This phone has one of the fastest rear fingerprint scanners I have seen. Ooh, check that again. Yeah, that's pretty impressive, especially from a budget option. Number 2, speaking of security, we also have the face unlock, and it's actually one of the fastest I've actually seen on a budget phone. It instantly unlocks the phone, which I really like as well. Number 3, the selfie camera is actually really good. So I took a selfie with it, and the photos actually came out really crisp and really detailed, to the point that I can actually see the contact lens in my eye. That is how detailed it is. It's really nice, and the best part about it is the selfie camera actually outperforms the dual rear camera on the back. Really cool, right? Number 4, 4,320 milliamp battery capacity. That's a large battery for this price range, and if you are like me, so malas to charge your phone, this one's perfect for you because it's gonna last you a freaking long time, a whole day without charge. It's really nice. Last one, triple SIM card tray, which means you can have 2 SIM cards and 1 micro SD card, and you can choose if you want to use 1 SIM card, 2 SIM cards, and also you can expand your memory, which is really nice because I need that space for all that photos I took on my holiday, man. Alright, let's talk about what I didn't really dig about this phone. Number 1, this is very obvious. Down here, instead of USB Type-C slot, we get a micro USB. I mean, I understand why they did this to keep the cost low because it is a budget phone, but a USB Type-C slot would have been much better in my opinion. Number 2, the design. I mean, look at it. You put it right here. Can you tell that this is a Realme 3? Out of the bat, I don't think you can tell unless it's because of the logo. And especially because this phone is marketed toward the youth, they want it to stand out, be hip, be fashionable, and I think they failed to achieve that with this phone. And you know, I really think they should have come with like maybe better colors, a cooler design, maybe patterns. I don't know. Why don't you guys let me know what you think? And that's what we like about the Realme 3. I'll see you guys next one. Like and share this video if you like what you see, and we will see you in the next one. Ciao.